Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Pneumatic Swivel Rolling Saddle Chair with wheels and ergonomic back support, an essential piece of equipment for anyone working long hours, whether you're a hairstylist, dental hygienist, or working in a spa or clinic. Let's dive into this ergonomic chair that promises comfort and durability, so we can see if it lives up to the hype. This rolling saddle chair has a design that's all about promoting good posture. Its unique shape encourages correct spine alignment, which is a big plus for anyone who spends long hours seated. Whether you're working at a salon, dental office, or even at home, posture is key, and this chair aims to reduce the strain on your back and spine. Now let's talk about the build. The base of the chair is made from strong aluminum, and it's paired with a high-quality hydraulic system. This combination ensures durability and safety, while the chair can hold up to 500 pounds. It's a perfect balance of being lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Plus, the gas lift system is smooth and easy to adjust, so you're always in control of your seating height. As for comfort, the chair features a molded foam base with a memory foam top. It's upholstered in waterproof and abrasion-resistant vinyl, making it easy to clean after a busy day. Whether you're spilling hair dye or getting a little too relaxed during your break, it's not going to be a hassle to wipe down. And the best part? The CFC-free flame-retardant design means you're not just getting comfort, but also peace of mind about safety. One of the standout features is the adjustable backrest. It tilts to provide extra support, which is incredibly important when you're seated for long hours. This is particularly useful for those in the dental field, where you might need that extra comfort while leaning back between patients. The high-tech polyurethane wheels are smooth and quiet, making it easy to glide across various surfaces without the annoying squeak or clunk you might get with cheaper chairs. Now let's talk about performance. I've been using this chair for a while in my routine, and it does exactly what it promises. I can feel the difference in terms of posture support, and it makes a big impact on how comfortable I am after sitting for extended periods. The height adjustment is straightforward, and the chair stays firmly in place, even when I'm shifting weight. I did notice that while it's easy to move across the floor, the wheels might not work as well on carpet compared to hard surfaces, but that's something you expect with most rolling chairs. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this chair is incredibly durable and well-built, with a high-quality hydraulic system and a robust aluminum base. The memory foam cushioning is a huge plus for long hours of use, and the adjustable backrest is a game-changer. The chair is also easy to clean and maintain, which is always a perk when you're dealing with a high-traffic workspace. However, it's not the cheapest chair out there, so it's definitely an investment. Also, while the wheels are great on smooth floors, they could be a bit more effective on carpeted surfaces. As for value for money, the price of this chair reflects its durability and high-quality construction. Considering the comfort it provides and the longevity you're likely to get from it, it's a solid choice for professionals who spend long hours seated. If you're looking for something that's going to last and provide ergonomic support, the price tag is justified. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are cheaper alternatives, but they might not offer the same level of comfort and durability. In terms of build quality, this chair really shines. The aluminum base and hydraulic system feel solid, and the material choices ensure it's long-lasting and easy to maintain. The warranty is also a nice touch, offering a 1-year limited warranty from DR Loma Lomi, which gives you peace of mind if there are any issues. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few similar ergonomic chairs out there, but many don't offer the same level of comfort or construction. Some may be priced lower, but they might lack the advanced features like the memory foam or high-quality hydraulic system that make this chair stand out. To wrap it up, the Pneumatic Swivel Rolling Saddle Chair is a fantastic choice for those in professions that demand long hours of seated work. It offers great support for your back and spine, it's comfortable, durable, and made with high-quality materials. If you can justify the price, this chair is a worthy investment for your comfort and long-term well-being. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching today's review. And if you've used this chair or have a similar one, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.